Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by adding the font source so the browser can fetch it. If using Google Fonts, insert the provided link in head. If self-hosting, place /TTF in a fonts folder and declare at font face. Once done, declare a font family stack that lists the preferred font, a similar backup, and a generic family like sans serif. That ensures consistent rendering when the primary font fails. Make sure to name your at font face properly and check file paths before continuing. You now apply fonts where they matter. Set font family on body for a global baseline or target. Class and element selectors for specific elements. Then fine-tune using font weight and font style to select bold or italic variants and control readability with line height and letter spacing. If available, use variable fonts to reduce HTTP requests and enable many weights with one file. Also consider Unicode range to limit glyph downloads. After styling, reload and inspect computed. You finish by verifying the font actually loaded and displays correctly. Open DevTools network to confirm font files returned 200 and proper content type. Once done, test fallbacks by temporarily renaming the primary font in your CSS to force alternatives. If fonts don't load, check course headers and server MIME types, and ensure at font face font family names match usage. Finally, clear caches or use a hard refresh, and retest on different browsers to make sure rendering is consistent across platforms.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.